Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, hello there. So as you can already tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be reacting to RM Forever Rain MV. So I am so excited. Okay, so yesterday I was here on YouTube, and I think on the community tab where like YouTubers can actually just communicate with their subscribers, I saw that someone put RM is releasing a mixtape, and I was like, oh my gosh, what? So it said on October 23rd he's gonna be releasing it, but as you can already tell, well, where I live, it's literally, you know, Korea is literally 16 hours, I think, like ahead. So today's the 22nd of October, and we're going to be watching this MV. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. Here we go. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, it's like an illustration, I think. Okay, there's a black circle with clouds. Oh yeah. It's raining. It's a reflection on the ground. Oh my gosh. I wish it rains all day, because when people won't stare at me. Because then people won't stare at me. I'm gonna breathe a little slower. Oh my gosh! Oh. My shadows reflect on the sky. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, everyone else around him is like with umbrellas and he's not. Oh my gosh, I love this beat, yes! Would someone welcome you? I will welcome you. Oh my gosh. Please don't ask me any questions. Please stay by my side. I will. I will. Oh. Bird. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love the illustrations. Wow. This is cool. Oh my gosh. Sweater. Oh, that was so cool. This little drop of water. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, you guys. That was so oh my gosh. I loved oh, that was good. This is like a different side of RM that we haven't seen. Well, maybe from like his other well, the music, yeah, but like from him just individually, from like his other album that he did. And yeah, like it's like more like wow, it has a deep, meaningful meaning, which is really great. I loved it. Wow, like it's like you can relate to it. Like sometimes like you wish like it keep on raining so you don't have to show yourself. Or in this point like it doesn't have to rain, but you want to have it like dark and not as spotlight, I guess, on you. You're not like you don't want people to see you as you really are. And you just want them to see you as like how like other people want to see you as, if that makes any sense. I don't know. Wow. I love this. Like it's like a kind of like slow, of course it's like slow kind of song, powerful words, like we already know our leader. Wow, inspirational, like the leader himself. Wow. Okay, so we just have to wait until the whole album drops. Yeah, I hope you like this video. I like the video of the MV of this. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe if you want to. Comment down below what other videos or I should react to, or what other kind of videos I should do as well. So yeah, thank you for watching and peace. Ooh, I like that. Ooh.